Okay, guys, we're back here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel with another update on what we've been working on since our last episode. Here in Tifton, Georgia, we're in Zone 2 here, and the climate is pretty similar to what they have in North Florida, mid and southern Florida counties. So a lot of vegetables grow well here in my area. A lot of vegetables that really aren't, the cooler type climate weather vegetables still grow here well during the late fall and early winter seasons here in Tifton, Georgia. But what we have here that we're going to show you guys today, we started this project a couple of days ago, and we actually completed it on yesterday, and we want to show you guys what we have going on here. As you can see, guys, we've constructed another raised bed planter here, and we actually have this guy out in our front yard right next to our small turtle pond there. You can see Timmy the turtle back there in the background, getting some sun, enjoying himself back there in the background. This particular garden, raised bed garden container is also exactly like what we have over there. This is a Hugel culture garden planter, and we're in the process of actually getting it filled with our organic material here. As you can see, we have a bunch of dead debris here, tree branches, tree bark, small twigs, branches, etc. that we took and arranged here in the bottom of our planter. Our next step here with this particular planter, and by the way, it's the same size as the red one we have over there next to the house over there. It's a 4 foot by 2 foot planter, and what we are gonna do here, well, actually this is a 4 foot planter by a 6 foot planter by 3 foot planter. What we have here, I'm sorry about that. At any rate, our next step here with this planter here is to cover the tree bark we have here in the bottom of this planter, and the small branches, twigs, etc. We're gonna cover the what we have in the bottom here with a nice coating of leaves. We're gonna go in our backyard and rake up some leaves. We have oak trees here in our front and backyard, so we're gonna go in the backyard and rake up some oak leaves. Put a nice even covering of oak leaves across what we have here. And we actually plan on going to back to Walmart, grab two more bags of the same potting soil that we used over there in those planters over there. It's currently on sale at Walmart for $6.44 for 2 cubic feet. And with a planter this size, we're gonna definitely need 2 bags of that. So once we get our branches and tree bark and limbs here in the bottom of this covered with a nice coating of leaves, we're gonna run to Walmart right quick, grab our potting soil, get this thing filled up, and we're gonna come back and show you exactly what we plan on planting here, and actually we're gonna walk you through the entire planting process, and we plan on chronicling what we're gonna plant here in the same way we're chronicling what we have planted over there. So we're gonna give you guys weekly updates on what we planted here, how we planted it, what we used when we planted it, where we purchased it from, how much it costs, and all of that stuff. So you have a basic idea, if you want to do this in your own yard, of exactly what it's gonna take to build one of these, get it filled, get it planted, and await your harvest. At any rate, YouTube, we'll bring you guys back once we get our leaves raked up. And in the bottom, as you guys know, we show you step by step when we do one of these, exactly how to do it and exactly what you need and what you can use. It doesn't have to be leaves. You can use trimmings from your plants. You can use any type of dead debris, as long as it's doesn't have, you know, it's not infested with ants or anything like that, or termites or anything like that. You won't want to put anything in your garden that has ants or termites in it. At any rate, we'll come back after we get the bottom of this covered with leaves, show you what we did, how we did it, show you how much leaves that we used, and we'll bring you back after that step and show you the process when we actually fill this guy with our favorite brand of potting soil and what we're going to plant in it. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom of our page, and be sure to hit that notification button so that you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.